It does not take a very sophisticated analysis of candlestick charts to indicate what investor sentiment is doing. We can see in the Dow, there's a slow bottoming action using the T-line as support, but overall indicates that there isn't any major selling pressure occurring in the markets, that the slow uptrend is likely in progress. Add the analysis of the NASDAQ to the Dow. We saw the NASDAQ did a kicker type signal on Friday. Today it opened positive, telling us the T-line was not acting as resistance, and actually closed above the 50-day moving average, telling us that that moving average was not acting as resistance. So very simple analysis says this downtrending channel might be the next target, especially with your stochastics in the oversold area and a strong buy signal coming up through the resistance levels. That essentially tells you that the markets are probably going to maintain its strength at least for the next 3 to 5 trading days. Excuse me. Which puts you in a position to find the best bullish charts setups so that you can take advantage of that uptrend. The overall bullish sentiment can still be confirmed by the fact that Apple, Amazon, Nvidia, all the big traders were trading up strong today. This is usually also an indication that there's not any major fear factor from the investment community. That as long as the biggies are still being bought with great resiliency, the overall market is not showing any selling pressure. This allows the candlestick investor to take advantage of the patterns that we recognize, such as the fry pan bottom that broke out with dojis, and using our simple doji rule after they gapped up out of a fry pan bottom, we know the simple rule that if it opens positive, it's going to trade positive. So that allows an investor to get in at the ultimate entry point, knowing that the probabilities are still strong that they're going to be in the right direction. As illustrated in the Nvidia chart, notice there was a doji right smack dab on the T-line on Friday. The fact that they opened up positive told us two things. One, we know that if it opens positive after a doji, it's going to move positive. And two, it's telling us the T-line is not going to act as resistance. We start looking for the next targets that it could potentially go to. But the fact that we know what should happen after a candlestick signal puts us in a situation that if you're a stock trader or an option trader, you're able to enter a trade at the optimal spot, knowing that the probabilities of being in the right place at the right time are greatly in your favor. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.